Hi, welcome to TonyaLTV. Today on the menu, I am making a yummy lemonade, honey. It's gonna have strawberries and pineapples. So let's get started. I'm gonna take my lemons and I'm just gonna roll them. The reason why I roll them is because once I roll them up, it just makes that juice so much easier to get out of these lemons. The softer they are, the better. So let's see if I can juggle. No, I can't. All right, guys, let's get it going. I'm going to slice my lemons in half. And I'm getting ready to put them in here and squeeze. Now, I already have my strawberries. I took the stems off of the strawberries and they are just ready to go. I'm going to add my lemon here. This already has water in it. I pre-did everything to make it quicker, faster, easier, so I can get to the goodness. So like, I love this lemon squeezer. I know if you were watching my videos earlier on, I did not have this. I did it the good old-fashioned way. Whatever works for you, hun. I just find this a little easier for me. Get all that juice out. We're going to move to that next lemon. You hear that? It's coming out. I have these things rolled to perfection. They are good and juicy. This is so much easier. So all I took was 2 lemons. If you're making a larger quantity, then you're going to need more than 2 lemons. I actually don't even have a lot of strawberries because I'm going to, after I finish, mix it up really well and I'm going to add it to my pineapple juice. So this is so easy. It's a nice treat for yourself, for your children. If you are a drinker, you could add either wine or vodka or something to this as well. And I think it'd be really good also. All right, that was quick, fast, and easy, honey. I will set that to the side. I'm going to add my strawberries. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 berries. And I'm going to add a cup of sugar to this. Maybe a half a cup. Yeah, maybe a half a cup. I'm going to put this lid on. There it is. And I am getting ready to put it on my... All right, now that this is finished, I am getting ready to pour this in my pitcher. I already put pineapple juice and ice in here. Now, let me explain something to you real quickly. The reason why I didn't use the full cup of sugar is because, honestly, guys, I don't like things too sugary, so I didn't use the whole cup. But let's get to this good stuff, you guys. This is out of my Ninja, and it's ready to be mixed. Okay, and we're just going to pour it straight in. Okay, so my idea for using this spatula was to kind of keep the film out of it. It didn't work, obviously. So now you have this delicious pineapple strawberry lemonade. What else can you ask for? What a delicious drink. What a delicious way to add to your meal. And I'm just going to pour some right here. We're gonna give it the good old taste-a-roo. Fantastic, so refreshing, so good, so easy. Until next time, guys, bye.